Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today I want to give you an update regarding a project that I made a video more than 1 month ago. Let me show you. It's called Green Figures. Yeah, here's the video I made about this, and after this video you will understand why it's so important that we always do a scam check. You know, we are always looking for, has the contract been audited, is there a legitimate business model behind it, and has the team been KYC'd. Okay, so usually, you know, if I make these scam checks, I always tell you my honest opinion. Yeah, is this worth considering an investment, or is it just too risky? Okay, and you know, guys, I usually prefer to stick to trading myself on Bybit and on Bitget, for example. If you want to also trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you guys. I made this video here more than 1 month ago, and I talked about, okay, we always look for, is there a white paper? So is there a legitimate business model behind it? And yes, they have it, because if you haven't seen this video yet, basically you put your crypto to work. That means you invest your crypto and they will use the crypto to trade Forex, okay? And this is not just some blah blah, because if you stick with me to the end, I will show you what would have happened if you would have invested from the first day, how much profit you would have made, okay? So basically they take your crypto and then they trade on the Forex markets, okay? So let me show you once again. Here is the white paper. They explain everything here in detail, how they do it, yeah? And what's very important here is the KYC certificate. That means you know who is behind this project. They had to show, you know, their passport or some identification document, so they really are, so to say, public, you know, who is behind this project. And the contract has been audited. Of course, it says here owner has access to funds, but they use the funds to trade. I will show you. And there's, all of this is safe. If you see, if you take a look at my video, I also say this seems to be really legitimate. Of course, there's always a little bit of risk involved, but this one, I told you, is really good or worth considering an investment, because all the other projects, you know, they don't have a KYC, they have no contract, no audited contract, and no white paper. Usually, you know, they just need new people coming in all the time. That means they use the deposits of the new people to pay the existing people, and then they just rug pull, because anyway you don't know who are the people behind this project, and after a couple of days or weeks they are gone. There are so many videos on my channel. For example, if you check some of them that I said, okay, that's a scam, those sites don't even exist anymore. So usually if I say it's a scam, it's really a scam, and after a couple of days or weeks they are gone. Yeah, you can check many of my videos, you will not even find the websites of those projects anymore. So this one is really good and it has been working. I will show you guys. This is how the DAB looks like. It says total invested, 802 people invested, this is the profit and so on. Yeah, this shows the daily profit, but it's not just, or the weekly summary, but it's not just some blah blah, because I will show you now. They are connected to my FX book, okay, my FX book. And as I've already explained in the previous video, this one cannot be faked if, just if you have this green check mark, track record verified, then trading privileges verified, and live update, okay? If you have those 3 check marks, the results here are legitimate. This cannot be faked, because they have to connect the platform that they use to trade. They have to connect it with my FX book, and the trades, whatever they do, are updated in real time. So whatever they do, it will show up here. So as you can see here, guys, here's the balance, here's the equity and all of the profit and all those stuff. As you can see here, if you would have invested, the first day was 22nd of May. Start here, and as you can see here, until yesterday, the performance is 52.77% plus, okay? And this cannot be faked, because whenever you want to check something on my FX book, they could fake it somehow unless you have this here. So if you want to check if anyone tries to say, okay, they have such a great performance in Forex trading, it's always important that you check these 3 things: track record verified, trading privileges verified, and live updates. Live updates means whatever they do, this will show up here, okay? So after around, let's say 6 weeks, a profit of 52 or almost 53% is pretty good, guys. And since this project has all of what we, or let's say I'm always looking for if I make a, a scam check. This is really good, guys. So it's still working, they're making a nice profit, and yeah, it's still here. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.